Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Block Blast update stuck on waiting or refusing to download the newest version at all? Here's how to force it through. First, go ahead and open your App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on that screen to force a fresh refresh of available updates. Then look for Block Blast in the list and tap Update if it appears. If update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold on the Block Blast icon on your home screen. Tap pause download, then tap it again and then tap resume download to restart it. If it keeps failing, go ahead to your settings app. Then go to general, go to iPhone storage and confirm that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space. Since updates fail silently when storage is too low, free up space by offloading unused apps and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data before retrying if the download keeps on stalling. So, all it got to do is store full to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, try mobile data, block blast updates, and that's it. Subscribe.